Lots of doggies and lots to say. You getting pictures, Troop? Yes. Got a lot of energy. I'm gonna squeeze by you real quick here, honey. Marco, how are you doing? That's a stupid question, isn't it? You smell kitty food? Yeah, let's just feed me kitty. Thanks. We'll have her age tomorrow. She's young, beautiful teeth, beautiful dog. She's like lead. Ah, what is that? What is that? Are you scared of it? Oh, don't be silly. Come here, honey. Don't be silly. Beautiful dog.
Are there any on the other side that
Nope.
you can see?
This is it. Those are strays over there.
Okay.
So that's all of them.
Does neuter breed mean that they'll bite on the heel?
It means it's a cattle dog, so you should probably have a farm. And they hate the kennel, as you can see. She'll go back and forth and back and forth. She's not a happy camper. Huh? Stinks. We're waiting for a farmer. We'll have a farmer come get her. You'd be surprised how many people have apartments and think because they're medium sized, you can put them in an apartment. So, yeah.